Hi everyone. Today we're gonna create structural elements in Advanced Design by extruding and by revolving a sketched profile. So you can access both operations from the same command, which you can find here in the CAD functions section of the main menu. To generate extruded structural elements, we first need to select the profile lines, as you can see in this example. Then I use the extrude command in translation mode and specify the vector that defines the depth and direction of the extrusion. In the planar element properties section, we select the type of the structural elements we want to use, the material, and the wall thickness. Before finishing, I check the preview, and if everything looks good, I confirm by clicking Apply. To create structural elements by revolving these profile lines, I'm also going to use the extrude command, but this time in a rotation mode. I set the origin, the axis of revolution, the angle, and the number of copies. The process is the same here for the planar element properties. Then I make a final visual check, and if everything looks okay, I apply the operation.